Hello and welcome to Camp Nanowrimo 2023. I've actually never done Camp Nanowrimo before, and I'm working on a novel that I actually just started pretty recently. I don't know, I thought it'd be fun to document the process. It's actually day 2 of Camp Nanowrimo. My word count goal is pretty low for this month. Yesterday and today, I've been exceeding my daily word count goal, so it might end up being a lot larger, but I'm kind of excited to see what happens. It has been a rainy few days, so it's kind of the perfect writing weather. Good morning, welcome to day 3. It is very foggy morning, and I think it's gonna be perfect for a little bit of writing, a little bit of reading. So let's go. So I thought I would share a little bit about my process. I was always a pantser, and then I realized the reason why I had always been starting novels and only getting halfway through and not knowing where to go from there is because I'm not a pantser, I am a plotter. I'm actually kind of somewhere in between where I do need to know where the book is gonna go. I can't just go by the seat of my pants, but I don't plot extreme, I don't plot every single detail. I also leave it up to future me who's writing. I actually plot by hand and then I write on the computer. It's just mass chaos pretty much. It's just, I try to get everything out as fast as I can because it's on my mind, then I just write. So that's my process.